The Uttar Pradesh government has announced plans to bring back migrant workers stranded in other states, even during the lockdown. That and all the other big stories of the day, right here in Outbreak News. The Uttar Pradesh government has announced that it will bring back migrant workers that are stranded in other states amid the lockdown. The migrants will have to complete a 14-day quarantine in the place where they are currently living, after which the UP government will arrange for buses to bring them back. This will be arranged in phases. US President Donald Trump has said yet another potentially dangerous thing in a press conference. He seemed to suggest that people could receive injections of disinfectant, like bleach, to cure the coronavirus. Doctors were quick to point out that this notion is absolutely absurd and that injecting or drinking any disinfectant could very easily kill a person. It is important to follow advice from official sources in the COVID-19 crisis, but maybe make sure that your official source is not Donald Trump. A report in the New York Times suggests that Ecuador is, in fact, one of the worst affected countries by COVID-19, with the actual death toll being 15 times the officially reported number. By April 15th, the country had reported 503 deaths due to the virus, but the report estimates that the number could have been as high as 7,600 deaths. The government has acknowledged that the official mortality numbers do not match up with the ground reality. Officials in the country say that no one is sure of the actual numbers because they don't have enough tests. South Korea has been widely lauded for its handling of the coronavirus pandemic, and now the country has released a plan for the post-lockdown period. Even as the country reported no new deaths due to COVID-19 in the last 24 hours, the plan says that public life will have to be tailored to anti-coronavirus measures for at least another 2 years. Along with regular temperature checks, they will ask everyone in public to wear a mask and enforce strict social distancing in shopping malls and restaurants. Public transport will also have to run at a limited capacity, and people will still be encouraged to work from home. Russia reported over 5,000 new cases of the coronavirus today, a sharp increase that has dashed any hopes that infections have plateaued in the country. The outbreak was delayed in Russia, raising people's hopes that the country has avoided the worst, but now numbers continue to rise, with over 68,000 confirmed cases and over 600 dead. Those were all the big stories of today. For all the latest news on the coronavirus outbreak, both in India and across the globe, stay tuned to NDTV Hop Live.